Stop waiting for the world to say thank you. It won't. You think being nice is a virtue, but the dark truth, it's a trap. It is keeping you weak. It is killing your potential, and it is ruining your life. Most people live their lives trying to please everyone else. They wait for permission. They wait for applause. But nobody cares about your sacrifice as much as you do. In this video, we are breaking down the 3 brutal truths you need to accept to reclaim your power. We aren't talking about being mean. We are talking about being effective. Why watch? Because you owe yourself a better life, and nobody owes you a thing. Truth number 1, you need to do it alone. We are taught that success is a team sport. It isn't. At the start, the work is solitary. You keep looking for support, for someone to hold your hand. Stop. If nobody helps you, do you quit? No. You trust yourself. You build it anyway. Whether it's business or a workout, the results only come when you take full ownership. No one is coming to save you. Do it alone until you're strong enough to lead others. Start now, not when you feel ready. Comment, "I trust myself" below if you are ready to stop relying on others. Truth number 2, silence is power. The nice person announces every move, seeking validation. The winner moves in silence. When you show up every day and keep your mouth shut, you become dangerous. Let them talk. Let them doubt. Let them misunderstand you. You don't need to explain your own path to anyone. Work in silence and let the results make the noise. While most people are talking about what they will do, you are already building it. Be a believer in your own vision, even if you are the only one. Keep going when it's dark. Keep going when it's quiet. If this reality check is waking you up, smash that like button and subscribe. Support this channel so we can keep bringing you the truth. Truth number 3, discipline over feelings. Being nice is often just an excuse to be soft. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Wait for motivation and you will die waiting. Stop waiting. Show up for yourself the way you show up for others. For yourself, you need to set boundaries. Nobody respects a doormat. They respect discipline. Here's the bottom line. Nobody owes you success. You owe yourself greatness. Trust yourself. Believe in the process. Start now. Don't be nice. Be real. Be relentless. Check out this next video to master your mind. See you there.